Crazy Chef. So today I'm gonna give you a quick recipe on how to cut up and season your chicken. So the first thing you want to do is take that off. That's trash. Then you just take our chicken and you want to go right down the back of your chicken. You want to open that up. Then take that out. And you want to take this out. So you take that out. That's trash. And on this side too, take that out. That's trash. Then what you want to do is you want to go here. Cut that. Like that. So now you have two halves. What you want to do now is you want to take this piece off. And then right here, if you go like this, right here is where you take the leg off without any pressure. So you put that aside. Then you want to go here, take that off without any pressure. Then this. Right there. Then those two. No pressure. That's trash. So same deal for this side. You go here. Take that off. You find right here. Take that off. That's that. Go for the wing. Go like that. That piece come right off. When you cut the wing, you want to give it a little bit of meat on that leg bone. I missed already. So that comes off. And then here. And you can leave the fat on there, or you can take it off. I choose to leave it on because it makes your chicken moist. Let me take that off. Then wash. Take them out. Drain. 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 See my board. So now, some oil. When you season chicken, you want to always put a little oil. Some garlic powder. A little bit of ginger powder. Some onion powder. You know me, I have to use a little chicken seasoning. It's because I'm Jamaican by blood, I always be using chicken seasoning. So some chicken seasoning and black pepper. You don't have to use black pepper if you don't want to. Then cut up some onions. Green pepper. Fresh thyme. Some scallion or green onion, whatever you call it. A little bit of chopped garlic. And a little browning or gravy master, whatever your choice. Then all you gotta do afterwards is that a quick mix. And you can add salt if you wanna, but usually the chicken seasoning is salty, so I don't like to put salt. So now all you gotta do now is leave that for like 45 minutes or an hour, let it soak, and then your chicken is good to be cooked. So now this is how you season your chicken, this is how you cut your chicken, and always don't forget to wash your chicken. Crazy Chef, thanks for watching.